If you woke up one day and could do anything, what would you do? Who would you be? Travel the world with friends? Spend days on horseback? Explore the wonder of nature. Camp in the countryside with the love of your life. Experience the fire from within. Stretch your creativity and connect. Perform at elite levels. Feel nature's power. Capture life's moments. Bring ideas to life out of nothing. Feel the adrenaline rush of man and machine. Or sit in amazement at this beautiful creation.